Hi, and welcome to OnceHub tutorial. My name is Lokesh and I am part of the OnceHub support team. Today, I will show you how to disable or delete a booking page in OnceHub and explain what happens when a booking page is disabled. There are times when you may want to stop accepting bookings for some time. For example, if you are on leave or updating your availability or restructuring your scheduling setup. Disabling a booking page allows you to pause booking without permanently removing the page. Let's start with how to disable a booking page. First, log into your OneSub account. Then, from the left sidebar, click and go to Booking Pages. This will take you to the Booking Pages scheduling setup. Next, click on the booking page that you want to disable. Then, stay on the Overview section. You will see Accept Booking toggle on the top right corner. You can disable it and the booking page will be disabled. Once disabled, the page will no longer accept new bookings. Now, let's look at what happens when a booking page is disabled. Within the app, the Accept Booking toggle will be turned off and you will see an alert message under the booking page name with a link to re-enable it. The booking page will also be clearly labeled as disabled in the booking page scheduling setup. From the customer's perspective, when they access the booking page link, they will see a message indicating that no times are currently available. Customers will not be able to make new bookings using that page. It is also important to note that the public content section of the booking page remains visible to the customer even when the page is disabled. If needed, consider updating your personal message to explain why the scheduling is not currently available. Customers will also not be able to cancel or reschedule existing booking through the same booking page. If you no longer need the booking page at all, you can delete it instead. You can click on the three dots next to the booking page that you want to delete. Select, select the delete option, confirm the booking page to be deleted. Keep in mind that deleting a booking page is permanent, while disabling is idle for temporary changes. And that's it. You now know how to disable or delete a booking page and understand the impact each option has on your bookings and customers. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next OneSub tutorial.